I got the chance to train with like a lot of world champions also. So it was a good experience.
So okay, you're known for like the pressure you put inside the cage, right? So how did you develop this type of fight?
I mean, I feel since when I started, I thought like I didn't have power in my hands and I had to push more in my rounds. That's how I developed the style, putting pressure and breaking my opponent's cardio or will to fight.
You once said that your leverage in fights is your speed. Is that still the case?
I mean, it's speed and I mean, I think a lot when I'm fighting. Yeah. It's not that I'm just swinging or like, you know, I think a lot whenever I do any kind of technique or moves.
So you always have a game plan before you.
Yeah, I mean, game plan is to win,
Yeah.
but it doesn't matter if it's like striking or grappling or wrestling.
So what do you like about rock and roll MMA? How is it different?
Well, I mean, it's open to everyone. Like, you know, if you want to just come and train on the open mat days, you can just come and train. And the vibe is also good. Everyone is pushing each other.
It's like a close-knit community.
Yeah.
Who was your toughest opponent?
Till now, the Russian I fought. Russian.
Russian. Oh, yeah.
Was the toughest because he was a wrestler too.
Yeah.
So,
So that was in Gracie, right?
no, that was in Russia.
In Russia. So you lost that through the unanimous decision.
Yeah.
So what was going through your head after that?
I need to work on my wrestling. Yeah.
So were you just trying not to get submitted or?
No, I mean, I was there to fight,
Yeah, yeah.
but it wasn't like I was surviving. But it was like, how to say? I mean, I was trying to win, but the other guy was much better than me that day.
Yeah. What have you
Maybe if I
learned?
fight him now, I will.
Maybe.
Because he stopped fighting after my fight.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not in contact with the guy.
So what have you learned from your fights?
All the fights?
Like losses?
Losses. I mean, it's every time it's a different thing. Like, you know, whenever you lose, you think a lot. You tend to think a lot. Why did you lose?
Yeah.
What can you do better? So I think every losses teach me different things. Sorry, taught me different things.
What's the best advice you've gotten?
For
Fight? From a coach?
keep training. Show up for training. Don't smoke.
He's done that every day. So I heard you want to open your own gym in Pokhara.
Well, not now. It's gonna take few years, but once I'm done competing, yeah, definitely I'm gonna open a gym there.
You're still in your prime years. Yeah?
I'm entering now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Let's
So-
hope for the best.
What do you think you'd do better, different with like your gym you open?
I mean, I'll be like, so the thing is like I've trained around, not just in India, like different cities, but I've trained under different coaches. So I've picked up everything from their different minds. Like, so I think that's gonna be the best part. Like I can just not show grappling moves or wrestling. I know all the aspects properly.
So I have a question. Would you rather fight a duck-sized bear or a bear-sized duck?
Obviously, bear-sized duck.
Bear-sized duck. Wouldn't like the bill if you.
I can beat a duck, but I'm not sure if I can beat a bear,
But-
even if it's a small bear.
So you're not Dagestani, but you.
I don't want to be that. I'm Nepalese material. Yeah, smart.
Montamiro.
What's that?
Montamiro. Okay. Nepali.
Mantamir, like
Montamiro.
what's that?
Nepali.
Mantamir.
Yeah, it's that.
Yeah.
So okay, now I'm gonna say like a bunch of names from the people in our gym. You just have to like say the first word that comes to your mind. Manish.
Funny.
Funny. You said the same thing about you. Kunchan.
Tall.
Tirisa.
Chill.
Radhindra.
Hard work.
So if you had a chance to build your dream house anywhere, where would it be?
Pokhara. Yeah, I love it.
Next to Kevatar.
Maybe yeah, or in the mountains somewhere.
That's good. Yeah. Okay, so what's in your gym bag?
My training clothes, my mouth guard, my gloves,
Yeah.
my perfume.
Yeah.
That's it.
What perfume do you use?
Dior Sauvage.
Oh, that's the Playboy perfume. Can you give us like a tattoo tour?
This I got it recently from Hobbit. He's from Kathmandu, Jats. Big ups to him. He did a great job. All the rest all is done by my uncle.
What's that under?
That's my grandma. I was pretty close to my grandma.
So, before you enter the cage, what are you thinking?
Before I enter the cage, I think about my parents. Think about the hard work I've done so that this guy cannot beat me. And mindset of not giving up in the fight. Keep fighting.
So what's an essential quality for a fighter to have?
That's what, not giving up. I mean, techniques you can learn
Yeah.
if you put in time. But the heart, the mindset, you can't teach that. You can't teach heart. You need to have that naturally. Even if you get beat up, it's okay, but you have to be mentally strong.
So what is the menace Sunny afraid of?
God, nothing else.
More menacing than you? Do you have any hidden talents? No?
I don't like things.
I had a lot of things. So what's your favorite workout snack? I see you eating bananas every day.
Oats.
Sometimes you eat the banana milk.
No, I don't leave it. I take it back. I drop it. I don't leave any of my rubbish.
Hey, okay, I'm gonna ask you a question if you can answer this about the UFC. Who's the first male champion?
Royce Gracie.
Isn't it Mark Coleman?
UFC 1. Who was the champion of UFC 1? Who won that one? Royce Gracie. You're wrong. You're not born, I think.
Yeah, probably not. So what's your biggest career highlight?
I think for me it's the knockout, the first knockout I got from Goa.
Which was against?
Which was against Aditya Saha.
So in the Aditya Saha fight, the ref stopped you in the
He didn't know the ref was not doing that. He thought up kick was it was illegal, and I was the one who got up kick. So even I was playing with him like, how the fuck can he up kick me? But it's legal. Yeah, that was
So would you rather be invisible or be able to fly?
fly.
What would you do? Where would you go?
Fly somewhere where I cannot go. Like, fly to some other country just for like because then you'll save a lot of money on traveling and invisible is kind of shit.
A lot of worthy people to me. So you would go from India to Nepal, everywhere.
Yeah, maybe US also.
Maybe you get tired.
Maybe I can just hang on the plane and then
Yeah.
fuck.
So okay, tell me two truths about you and one lie. I'll try to guess the lie.
Then
One lie.
I don't smoke. I'm very hardworking. And I like to eat.
You don't like to eat.
I love to eat.
You are hardworking. And you don't smoke.
I do smoke.
You smoke?
Yeah, but not. I mean, fuck it. I don't want to get into details.
That's kind of hypocritical, you know? Yeah. So, what's in your gym bag? Oh, I already said that. Yeah. Okay. Complete these sentences. Stepping into the ring, I always feel.
happy.
When I win a match, the first thing I do.
When I
Win a match, the first thing
win
I
a
do.
match, call my mom and dad.
Such a family guy. To stay focused,
Train
so does your mind ever divert when training?
when I'm not sure.
Where does it go?
lot of places.
How many questions do you have?
Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Thank you for giving us your